That man.
What
What did you... What is this, guys? I have something.
you have?
What? No, 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 no.
You look.
Yes, I lose this thing. It was some kind of a... You're pulling something, huh?
Yes, something big.
Let's see. Will you pull out this time?
This can.
What? A big can? Yeah, it's a big can. Okay.
Yes.
Me too, bro. What is that?
Oh,
What
I
is that,
think
man?
it's grenade.
Yeah, it looked like grenade. Slowly. What is that? Try to turn that. Turn a little bit. It is some... No, it's not a grenade. That is a... That's
Like a
big,
bullet.
big bullet.
But it's
Yes,
not bullet.
yes, yes, it is bullet.
No. But
Yes,
Look.
look.
What?
Maybe from grenade launcher. Maybe it's
Piece of grenade.
yeah, no, a grenade launcher have something like that, like a big bullet, but it's grenade.
don't know.
Maybe, guys, do you know what is this? Can you tell us? Write down in the
Something
comment
military.
section.
Yes.
Write down in the comment section below if you know what this could be. Huh. This is... I don't know, man. Look like a big bullet. You see the behind here, it's a big hole. Maybe from a grenade launcher, some kind of a grenade. Maybe top of grenade, maybe. Just pull it, like this.
You like?
No, I'll just watch. Look at this, guys. Look at this bullet. Oh, it's heavy. Oh man, it's heavy. Nice catch, man.
Yes.
It's a big bullet, man.
Oh, you have
I have a small bullet.
small bullet. Oh, nice, man.
7.62. Yeah,
What point
7.62.
is this?
The same. Guys, we find out what is this. This is a big bullet from a 30mm gun. And still can be activated. This is the top of a bullet. That bullet goes in a three pieces. This is the last one. Last one, what?
Guys, like, share.
And subscribe to our channels. And see ya in the next video.
See you guys. Bye bye. Magnet fishing.